All right, now right at the top, we have some breaking news coming in. We're learning about a horrific accident that's taken place in Madhya Pradesh's Sagar area. 9 children are reported to be dead at this point after a temple wall has collapsed. This incident has taken place specifically in Sagar's Shahpur area. The children were aged between 8 and 14. The Chief Minister has at this point announced 4 lakhs of ex gratia, but we're crossing over to my colleague Govind for more on this. Govind, what is the situation? What happened? Govind, if you can hear us, tell us about the situation on the ground. What exactly happened? How did this occur?
Yeah, absolutely. It's quite a shocking incident took place there in Sagar district, in fact, where 9 children have died, in fact, in this collapsing of a wall. In fact, this was a kind of some religious program was going on in which many people took part making shivling. In fact, during that, you know that it's raining in more than 2 dozens of districts in Madhya Pradesh continuously. So in Sagar too, and where this kind of incidents took place, where 9 children in fact have lost their life during making the shivling program. That was a kind of religious program was going on, and just in adjoining wall of home, in fact, to that religious place, in fact the temple was there in which shivling was being made by these children, in fact. And during this whole incidents, in fact, more than a dozen children or other people have died, injured, in fact, got the injuries, and 9 have died, in fact, so far. 8 on the spot and 1 just before during the treatment, in fact. So this is absolutely quite a shocking and tragic incidents took place in Sagar district, where CM Mohan Yadav also has taken the cognizance of this incidents and expressed his grievance for this, and definitely he has announced the compensation to the family of demised, in fact. So this is a kind of shocking and quite tragic incidents took place in Sagar district, in which 9 children lost their life.
The point is, Govind, as well, we need to talk about situations like this, because it's not the first time we've seen a situation like this. This probably, sadly, won't be the last time we see a situation like this. As for the details that we have, these 9 children have lost their lives because they were working around a temple. They were making shivlings. The wall reportedly was a dilapidated wall. The point is that these areas are areas that need to be, one, monitored by the district administration, because again, 9 children have lost their lives because of something that could have easily been avoided if somebody was paying attention. The question here is also, why is this being allowed to happen, and what action is going to be taken by the district administration?
Yeah, definitely. These are the obvious questions. You're just asking that what all the responsibility of district administration. Although district administration reached on the spot, on this accidental spot after they got the message of this incident, but the questions are being raised on the organizer of this program, who all are the organizer, and what all the loopholes and irresponsibility was used in this organization of shivling making, in fact, in which this religious place is questionized now after this incident, in which we have lost 9 innocent children, in fact. So that is quite shocking and tragic incidents. It's being condemned all across the state, and many are just expressing their kind grievances for these. That's what definitely the responsibility must be fixed, that who all are the organizer of this program, in which 9 innocent children have lost their life. And CM Mohan Yadav has already given instruction for the inquiry in this, but definitely this is quite harassing and quite tragic that we have witnessed even previously in the recent past, that stampede in the religious program, in which dozens thousands of people lost their life. But now here the incidents, similarly we are witnessing that 9 innocent children have lost their life for taking part in that religious program, making shivling, and during that a wall collapsed adjoining wall of that religious place. So now definitely the responsibility must be fixed in this concern.
Absolutely, Govind. Okay, thank you so much for joining us, bringing us more on this. Let's actually listen into what the DM of Sagar had to say about this horrific tragedy.
दौल मंदिर है शाहपुर में, वहाँ पर पार्थिव शिवलिंग का निर्माण बच्चों के द्वारा किया जा रहा था। एक टेंट के नीचे सारे बच्चे बैठे हुए थे और चूँकि अतिवृष्टि लगातार बारिश हो रही, तो बारिश के कारण एक दीवार मकान की धंसकी और वो टेंट के ऊपर गिरी, जिससे लगभग 2 बच्चों की घटनास्थल मृत्यु हुई थी। उसके बाद उनको लाया गया और उसमें से 7 बच्चों की मृत्यु और रास्ते में या फिर अस्पताल पहुँचते ही हो गई। टोटल 9 बच्चों की मृत्यु अभी तक हो चुकी है। टोटल 11 लोग घायल हुए थे, उसमें से 2 लोग सुरक्षित हैं और 9 मृत्यु हैं। 2 का प्रॉपर इलाज चल रहा है और वो खतरे से बाहर है।
All right, now we will continue to track the developments here. It's a very unfortunate and tragic situation that could have easily been avoided. But right now we'll be shifting focus.